had hopes, but the dick just wasn't hitting like that. I just seen your text, I don't even care, now to reply back. I gave you one chance, and you fumbled with it. Left doing savage shit, but I look innocent. If I don't like it, I'm not passive with it. Give me one reason and I'm quick to end it. I'm not the one that's gonna be caught up in my feelings when it's all over with it. Look, I never meant to give you one. It's just entertaining when you're excited. Gave you one taste, little ambiance, and now you can't replace it, it's nothing like it. That must be why you had it so bad. That must be why you keep coming back. That must be why you don't know how to act. Every time I touch you, it feel good, don't it? And you think back, wondering if it was good for me. And your friends told you I'd be a good look for you, you can't force that.